surely have, with this workshop today, have realized that I don't know art. Yes, but have realized it, and it has really helped us for today to look at our future and to know what we are how we are doing in the present right now. Even if I didn't draw that good, that right, but at least there is something I've looked through. That I looked through my life, because we looked at our core values. We had to look at the best moments we've had in our lives. There are many, but we put a few, though we had to think of many, 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 many. Then I also had to figure out my strength as a person. Then what I want to be, my dreams. So I think it has been of help.